All right, I was trying to go live in my Facebook group, but for some reason it wasn't letting me. Quick walkthrough of how I slice in Cura with the Ender 3. I'm using Cura 3.5.1. I find it to be way more stable with the Ender 3. People were having issues with the extruder. The software 3.6 was making the extruder go at funky speeds, messing up their prints. They switched to 3.5.1 and all was better. Anyways, first things first, on my website, designsbyphil.com, under Ender 3, under 3D printing, I have my Cura 3.5.1 profiles. They are good starting points. I get no stringing at all with those profiles. Alright, so here we are in the Cura program after it starts up. You're going to be setting up your printers. Add a printer. There should be a Creality Ender 3. And then the profiles are actually for just the setups. So you can switch here. You should be able to go to Manage Profiles, and then you should be able to import one of my profiles. Okay, and that sets up all these settings. If we go through them real quick, right now, let's see, do I have the right? I have two Ender 3s, one with a different nozzle. So let's see if we have the right printer setting selected. Yeah, okay. So with a standard 0.4 millimeter nozzle, I have a layer height of 0.2, line width 0.4, wall thickness is 0.8, which means it's going to go around 2 wall thicknesses. But I also have another extra line that is being added for the for overlapping for the infill, and that works really well. So it actually ends up doing 3 profiles, 3 wall thicknesses. Right here, top and bottom thickness is 0.6. That means there's going to be 3 top layers and 3 bottom layers. Right now this is 100% infill density. If you don't want to print solid, set that to like 15 or 20. Let's see. Printing temperatures for a lot of PLA for Hatchbox, I use 210 and 60 degrees. There's my retraction settings. They work very well. Some of the other settings, I'm not going to go through them all, but they work very well. Alright, so to slice, all you do, once you have your profiles set up, is you open a file. Okay. It imports it. You're going to have to rotate it if it's not sitting correctly. Here's one of my arms for a dust boot. I'll rotate it around. It should set down, and it's slicing as we do it, and right there it's all ready to save. If you have a SD card in the thing, it'll say save to removable disk, and so you just hit this and it saves it, and then you go and you load it on your computer. It's really that fast. Once you have your profile set up, you can save all sorts of different ones. You can save ones with different infill densities. It's pretty easy. Once you're up at the top, let's see, where is that? Right here. You can go down here and you can update profile with current overrides, or you can create a profile from the settings you just did, or you can discard changes. A couple quick things or ways to make quick profiles. But anyways, that's it in a nutshell. It's pretty straightforward. Once you get it set up, you should be able to just select your profile, and bring in the model, orientate it the way you want it, and hit save. That's it. Supports. If you have the bullseye fan duct, you're going to be able to have supports. You don't need supports until like around 70 degrees. That's some settings down here. This one does not have supports active right now, but that's a whole nother beast getting in there. Supports, but not too bad once you have those set up either. Alright, thanks guys.